Good day students, welcome to the mathematics class. So here we continue the chapter fractions and decimals. In that next section is division of fractions. So now we have studied that how to multiply the fractions. Now let us see how to divide the fractions. Take some examples. Divide the following. Okay, let us see how to divide this. So for dividing the fraction, keep the first number as it is. Now change this symbol, division into multiplication, and reverse this one. That is 3 by 2 will become 2 by 3. So just keep the first number as same and change the that is symbol means division into multiplication and reverse this. Change the operation division into multiplication. Now what you will get now? You know that how to multiply the fractions. 7 2s are 14 divided by 3. So the division of 7 by 2 is 7 divided by 3 by 2 which is equals to 14 by 3. Okay, similarly this one also. Keep the first number same as it is. Don't change or reverse the first number. First number keep it as same only. Here it is 8 by 3. So operation division will become multiplication and reverse this. In the denominator nothing means always 1. So 6 by 1 is there, that will become 1 by 6. So which is equals to, we can divide here now. 2 4s are 2 3s are. So 4 1s are 4 divided by 3 3s are 9. So the answer is 4 by 9. Next, similarly with third one also. Keep the first number as it is, 7 by 2. Now change the operation, sign. Division into multiplication and reverse the second number. That will become what? 6 by 50. So here it is 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 7 3s are 21 divided by 50. So this is how we need to divide the fractions. Keep the first number as it is and change the symbol division into multiplication and reverse the second number. So you know that how to multiply the fractions, so you will get the answers. So this is about the division of the fractions. Let us see next. Reciprocal of a number. Reciprocal of a number. So reciprocal of a number means or a fraction. Let us take this one as fraction. Reciprocal of a fraction means writing the reverse of the given number is called as the reciprocal of that number. Means 2 by 3 is there. Reciprocal of that number means 3 by 2. Or else we can say that the multiplication of two numbers or two fractions is 1, then such numbers are said to be what? Reciprocal of each other. For example, see 2 by 3. Reciprocal means reverse of that 3 by 2. If you multiply these two, what you will get? See 3 1s are 0, they get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 1s, they get cancelled. What you will get the answer? 1. So if the multiplication of two fractions is 1, such numbers are said to be what? Reciprocal of each other. Or for writing reciprocal of any number, just write that number in reverse. Here it is 2 by 3 is there, so 3 by 2 is the reciprocal of that, or 7 by 18. So reciprocal of this one is 18 by 7. So just reverse of that number is called as what? The reciprocal of the fraction. Let us see the definition. If the multiplication of two numbers or fractions is how much? 1, then such numbers are said to be reciprocal of each other. Reciprocal of each other. For example, write the reciprocal of the following. Okay, reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2, and reciprocal of 7 is what? In the denominator nothing means always 1. So the reciprocal of 7 by 1 is 1 by 7. If in the denominator nothing means, just remember that that is 1 in the denominator. So now 7 by 1 is 1 by 7. So 8 by 9 is 9 by 8. So this is about what? The reciprocal of fractions. Now let us see next. This is the exercise. Exercise 2.4. In that first question, find first one is 12 divided by 3 by 4. So now how we can solve this one? Keep the first number as it is. So division will become multiplication and reverse the second number, that is 4 by 2, which is equals to, so what do we get? 3 ones are, so 3 4s are, 4 4s are how much? 16. So the answer is 16. Next, second one, 14 divided by 5 by 6. So keep this first number as it is, change the symbol into and reverse this one. 5 by 6 will become 6 by 6 by 5. Next, 14 6 are 84 divided by 5. Next, third one, 8 divided by 7 by 3, which is equals to 8 into reverse the second number 3 by 7. So which is equals to 8 3 is 24 divided by 7. Next, fourth one, 4 divided by 8 by 3. We keep the same number, first one same, into second number will become reverse, 3 by 8. So here 4 ones are, 4 twos are. So what you answer 3 by 2. Next, fifth one. 3 divided by 2 integer 1 by 3. So which is equals to, keep the first number same as it is into, convert this one, or let us write division only. Convert first this one into improper fraction. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 by 3. So 3, so sign will change this into, it will become real. That is 3 by 7. So if they are given mixed fraction, means first convert that into improper fraction. So what is the answer now? 3 3s are 9. So 9 by 7. Next, sixth question is 5 divided by 3 integer 4 by 7. So 5 divided by, convert that one into improper fraction first. So 5 3 7 are 21, 21 plus 4, 25 divided by 7. So which is equal to 5 into, this will become reverse, 7 by 25. So 5 on the 5 5. So the answer is 7 by 5. So this is about solution of first question. Let us the next question, second one. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. I classified them into proper and improper fractions and whole numbers. And classify them into proper and improper fractions and whole number. So write the reciprocal of the following first. First one is 3 by 7. So what is the reciprocal of this? 7 by 3. Second one, 5 by 8. What is the reciprocal of this one? 8 by 5. Next, third one, 9 by 7. So reciprocal of this one is 7 by 9. Next, fourth one, 6 by 5. Reciprocal of this is 5 by 6. Next, fifth one, 12 by 7. The reciprocal of this is 7 by 12. Next, sixth one, 1 by 8. Reciprocal of this is 8 by 1 or simply 8. Next, seventh one, 1 by 11. So reciprocal of this is 11 by 1 or simply 11. So these are the reciprocal of the given numbers. Now classify these into proper, improper and whole numbers. Proper fractions and improper fractions. Next, whole numbers. A proper fraction means if the numerator is less than the denominator, such fractions are said to be proper fraction. So let us see which are the having numerator less as the denominator. So 7 by 9. So numerator is less than the denominator. Next, 5 by 6. Next, 7 by 12. So these are what? Proper fractions. And next, improper fraction means the numerator is greater than the denominator. Let us see which are there. 7 by 3. Next, 8 by 5. Next, so here it is 5 by 6, 7 by 12. Okay, only 2 are there. Next, whole numbers 8 and 11. So 8 and 11. So this is about the classification of proper, improper and whole numbers. So this is about the second question. Now let us see next question. Let us see next question, third one. Find. In that first one, 7 by 3 divided by 2. So keep the first number same as it is. Change the symbol, division into multiplication, and reverse the second number. So 2 means in the denominator nothing means always 1. So reverse that one as you will get what? 1 by 2. So here now 7 1s are 7 divided by 3 2s are 6. Second one, 4 by 9 divided by 5. So keep the first number same, 4 by 9 into 5 will become 1 by 5. So 4 into 1, 4 divided by 9 5s are 45. Next, third one, 6 by 13 divided by 7. So which is equal to 6 by 13, keep it same as it is, into 7 will become 1 by 7. So 6 1s are 6, 13 7s are 91. Next, fourth one, 4 integer 1 by 3 divided by 3. So here it is mixed fraction. First convert that into improper fraction. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13 by 3 divided by 3. So this is equal to, keep the first number as same, 13 divided by 3 into, so this 3 will become what? Reverse, 1 by 3. So 13 into 1, 13 divided by 3, 3 is a 9. Next, fifth one, 3 integer 1 by 2 divided by 4. So convert this one into improper fraction, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 4, sorry 7 by 2 divided by 4, which is equal to, keep the first number same as it is, 7 by 2 into 4 will become 1 by 4. 7 1s are 7, 2 4s are 8. Next, sixth one, 4 integer 3 by 7 divided by 7. So which is equal to, convert this one into improper fraction, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 3, 31 divided by 7 divided by 7, which is equal to, keep the first number same as it is, 31 by 7 into 7 will become 1 by 7, so which is equal to 31 divided by 7, 7s are 49. So this is about what? Question number 3. Now let us see next question. Fourth question, find in that first one 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. So this is also same. First keep the first number same as it is 2 by 5. Change the sign, division into. So 1 by 2 will become 2 by 1 or 2. So 2 2s are 4 divided by 5 1s are 5. Next, second one. 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. So keep the first number as it is 4 by 9. So into 2 by 3 will become reverse 3 by 2, which is equals to 2 1s are 2 2s are 3 1s are 3 3s are, means what you will get the answer 2 by 3. The third one, 3 by 7 divided by 8 by 7. So which is equals to first number as it is 3 by 7 into second number will become reverse 7 by 8. 7 on the 7 on the get cancelled. So what will get the answer? 3 by 8. Next, fourth one, 2 integer 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. So which is equals to conversion into improper fraction first. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. So keep the first number as it is 7 by 3 into 3 by 5 will become 5 by 3. So here it is now 7 5s are 35 divided by 3 3s are 9. So let us try to solve the remaining questions of this fourth question. Remaining 3 questions are there. 4 questions are there. Take those as your homework. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.